Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I would like to take this opportunity to share my experience learning IT while I was in Saudi Arabia. Yeah. So this is experience what quite different and quite challenging, but yeah, this experience also exciting to me, and then this is taught me a lot of new things, and especially in the world of the technology and the programming. Okay, so yeah, when study IT in Saudi Arabia, the learning method was not always face to face like in a typical classroom, and then the system was more of the structured distance learning system. Each class had its own homeroom teacher, and then from that homeroom teacher, we were sent learning videos, and then these videos contained explanation of the material coding example, and then also interaction for a segment, and we had the complete, and then we was unique was the length of the video varied and somewhere only about 10 minutes, while others was as long as 20 minutes, and then it had dependent on the material covered is level of difficult, and then I think was quite effective because we could replay the video at any time, and then we could pause it if we didn't understand it, and then we could learn at our own pace, and then but on the other hand, this also required us to be more disciplined, and because if we lazy or other, we could miss the material. So well, while I was in Saudi Arabia, we also started to move on to new material that is talk was quite advanced. The namely is Firebase and Cloudinary, and then we use the two technologies for our attendance app project, and then we use Firebase for database, and then user authentication, and then real-time attendance, data storage, and then while Cloudinary was used for the first is uploading photo, and then storing attendance, the prof image, and then media management to make the app neater and lighter. And then honestly, it was quite confusing at first because it was not just regular coding, but we also had to understand and how yeah the back works. For the first, I use the API integration, and then data and then data also, and then user and data security also. So the segment progress, it took me about a month to complete this attendance application, and was not just about completing the work, but also the learning from scratch, and then watching the video material, and then looking for the additional reference, and then repeated tutorial and error, and sometimes the coding was wrong, and then sometimes the database would not connect, and then sometimes photo upload is filed, and then but from that I learned one uh, I learned one important thing. The IT is all about patterns and then consistency, and then the little by little, the attendance application file new work
For the first point is the user could login and attendance could be recorded, and then the photo could be uploaded, and then the data was safely and stored in the Firebase. And then I honestly it felt incredible proud, and because the result of the amount of hard work were finally visible.
Yeah, the lesson I learned, yeah, from experience study IT in Saudi Arabia, I learned my lesson, and including learn IT doesn't always have to be in classroom, and the technology can be learned anywhere, and discipline is crucial. And then don't be afraid of the new technology, and then slow progress is normal, and then the important things is to keep going. And then the video learning method also I taught me to be more dependent and responsible for my own learning progress. So, in closing, this experience learn IT in Saudi Arabia has truly opened my mind, and then I understand that learning technology is global and flexible, and then full challenges, and then with material like Firebase and Cloudinary, I feel like my skill have grown, and I am better prepared to face the IT world and in the future. And then I hope this sharing and can inspire and provide insight for all you. And thank you very much for your attention and watch my video. The last set, ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.